welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be covering calculation of squares and cubes using some algebraic formulae. Now when it comes to two-digit numbers, there are two formulae that we'll be looking at. One is a plus b whole square and second one is a plus b whole cube. So let us see with examples how we can calculate the squares and cubes using this formulae. So our first formula is a plus b whole square. So this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next formula is a plus b whole cube. So we have a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So now let us solve this using one example. Okay, so let us take 16 square. Okay, so if you see 16 over here, okay, now in this 16, this 1 is a and the 6 over here is b. Okay, so now let us apply this formula. There is a slight change in how we are going to apply this formula, so pay attention when the problem is being solved. Okay, so let us substitute the values. So first a square is what? 1 square. Now instead of plus over here, we will put one dash. Okay, so 1 square, a square is done. Next 2ab, so 2 into 1 into 6. Next, instead of plus, we are putting one line like this. Okay, next b square is what? B over here is 6, so 6 square. So we get we write down 6 square over here. So we get 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 into 6, it is equal to 12 because 2 6 are 12, and 6 square is 36. So we get 6 down, 3 2s are 3 is carried forward and added to 2. So 3 plus 2 gives us 5, and 1 is carried and added to 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So 256 is our answer. Now let us solve for 16 cube. So again in this 1 is a and 6 is b. So let us substitute the values over here and solve. Okay, so first is a cube. A cube is 1 cube plus 3a square, sorry, we don't get the plus sign over here. So 1 cube and then put one line like this. Next 3a square. A square is 1 square. 3 into 1 square into b. What is b value? 6. Next 3ab square. So 3a is 1, b is 6, so 6 square. And lastly we have b cube. B cube is 6 cube. So now let us write the answer. 1 cube is 1. So 3 into 1 and 6. So 3 into 6. Next 3 into 1 and 6 square. So we get 3 into 36 and 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. So now let us write 1. 3 6 are 18. 3 into 36 gives us 108 and 216. Now let us write the final answer. One thing you should keep in mind is, unlike the problems that we have solved till now, in this problem we have 3 digits over here. So far we have solved only 2 digits. Okay, so let us see how the carry is done. Okay, so first we write down the units place as it is, so we get 6. Okay, next 21 that is there over here, this will be carried and added over here. So 1 is added to 8, we get how much? we get 9. I will write down over here. Okay, and next 2 is added to 0, so we get 2 over here. Now which is the units place in this? 9 is the units place, so 9 comes down as it is. Next, this 2 and this 1, so instead of 0 we have 2 over here and this 1. So now these 2 are carried and added to this. So in units place we have 2 instead of 0. So 2 is added to 8. So 2 and 8 gives us 10. So 10 means what? 0 down and 1 carry. Now here is the confusing part. Now we have this 1 over here, right? So this 1 is to be added to this 1 and this 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Okay, now don't write the final answer yet. Now this value that we have is the tens place. So this has to be carried once again. So we get this 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. So totally there are 4 ones. So we get 4. So 4096 is our final answer. Let me just briefly once again explain the carrying that we have done. Okay. So in this answer, we have a 3-digit number over here, right? So the basic rule what we follow is the units place is written as it is. So 6 you are getting as it is. Now you are getting 21 over here, right? So this 21 is carried forward and added to this. Let me just change the color and explain. So this 21 that is being carried over here, it is added to this one, 0 and 8. Okay, so 1 is added to 8, we get 9. Okay, so this 9 is written as it is. Why? Because it is the units place over here. Now what is, now 2 is over here, so this 2 is added to the tens place, so we instead of 0 we get 2. Now this value that you have becomes the tens place. This is the units place, this is the tens place. So this tens place is carried and added over here, right? So in when you add this, so what happens? Now you have 2 over here. So 2 plus 8 gives us 10, right? So you get 0 over here and the 1 is carried over here. Okay. So 0 is in the units place. Now if you see this, 0 is in the units place. So 0 you are writing as it is. Now 1 is carried forward. Okay. Plus we have this one also, that we have only added 0 to 8, this 2 to 8. We have this one also. So this 1 is added to 1 over here. Okay. So you have 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much do we get? 3. This 3 is added to this 1. So this 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So our final answer is 4096. So this is how you solve problems of finding squares and cubes using this formula. So hopefully this complex part of carrying wherein more than 2 digits are involved is clear, and this particular trick of carrying forward with whenever more than 2 digits are involved, okay, initially it may be a bit confusing, but with more practice you will be able to do it very perfectly. So this is how we solve these problems. So now let us solve one more example using the same method. So we will take 28 square. So we have first a square. A square is 2 square 4. Next 2ab. 2 into 2 into b is 8 over here, and next b square, that is 8 square. Okay. So we get 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 8s are 32, and 8 square is 64. So our final answer will be 4. 6 plus 2 gives us 8, and 3 plus 4 gives us 7. 784 is our final answer. So 28 cube we will calculate now. So we get 2 cube, 3 into 2 square into 8. Next 3 into 2 into 8 square and 8 cube. So this is what 2 cube is 8. 3 into 4 into 8. 3 into 2 into 64 and 8 cube is 512. So we get 8, 96. This one will be 384 and this one will be 512. Okay. So now let us write the final answer. Okay. So let me just change the pen. Okay. Right. So now here the units place is 2, we write down 2 as it is. Tens place and hundreds place is 51. So 51 is carried and added to 84. Okay. So let me write over here 51 and 84. Okay. So 5 and 5 plus 8 gives us 13. Now what is the units place in this? 5. So 5 comes down as it is. Okay. Now 13 is there over here. Okay. Here we have left one more place that is left is 3. Okay. So and this 1 gets added to this 3. Okay. So or else we will write it like this. Now 84 we have taken already. Okay. So we have to write this value over here, right? So 3 is there, 84 is already there over here. So if you want to get this value, what we will be left with is 30, right? So this is 3 and this is 4. So 43. Now this 43 that you are going to get over here, this will be added to this. Okay. So 43 and 96. So 9 over here. 4 plus 9 gives us 13. What is the units place over here? 9. Okay. Now this value is carried on and so this we are getting 13. So this 13 is added to this 8. So 13 plus 8 gives us 21. So 21952 is our final answer. So let me just explain this once again. Okay. So in the first step what we have done, we have written the units place as it is. So we get 2. Okay. Next this one. Okay, we get 2. Next in the second step, this part we have added to this part. Okay. So when we added, we get 135. So this is the units place, right, over here. So this units place we have written down as it is over here. Next, what is remaining? 13. Okay. Our number is what? 384. Okay. And to that we have added 51. Okay. So what we get over here? 5 and so 13, 3 down, 1 carry 4. Okay. So this 5 we have written as it is. No. So 43 is left out. So this 43 I have written over here. Okay. Now this 43 that is there over here, it is added to 96. Okay. So in 96 we are adding 43. So 96 plus 43 we get 139. So this 9 value that I have written as it is, and this 13 I have carried over. Okay. So this is the 13. So this 13 plus 8 if we do, we get 21. This is how you get your final answer of 2197. So this is how we calculate problems in which we find squares and cubes using this formula. Thank you.